Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix disabled ads on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, right here, if your ads are disabled on Instagram, it usually means that your account has violated Instagram or Facebook's advertising policies, or there may be an issue with your payment method. So right now, we're going to go to the first step that you should do to fix this problem. Check your account quality. Instagram apps, ads are managed through Facebook Ads Manager. So you should check the status of your ad account in account quality to understand why your ads were disabled. Go to Facebook account quality and check for any notifications regarding the disabled ads or account restrictions. Fix policy violations. If your ads were disabled due to violations of advertising policies, you need to review and fix the issue. Common violations include promoting restricted content, misleading or inappropriate ads, and using copyrighted or trademarked material without permissions. Steps: review the policy violation details provided in the account quality section. Edit or remove the violating ads in Facebook Ads Manager, and once the issue is resolved, your ads should be reactivated. Submit an appeal. If you believe your ads were disabled by mistake, you can appeal the decision. In order to appeal, first of all, go to Facebook account quality. If the reason for the disabled ads is listed, click the Request Review option, fill out the form, and explain why you believe your ads should be reactivated. Instagram will review your request, which could take a few days, and they will notify you of their decision via email. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.